body feels stiff, tight when you wake up in the morning, this 15-minute yoga flow is for you. No flexibility needed, just flow with your breath and follow along.
We are going to start with the warm up.
Sit tall, drop your chin to your chest, slowly roll your neck, no rushing, release your tension. Roll your shoulders back and down. Let go of stress you're holding here. Now anti clockwise. Now come in all fours. We are going to do cat and cow. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Move with your breath. Now we are going to do seated side stretch. Reach one arm up and gently stretch to the side. Switch sides. Create space in your spine. Now we are going to start with a full body flow. First is forward fold. Fold forward, bend your knees if needed. Let your head hang heavy. Next is half lift plus fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold down. Slow and controlled. Next, we are going to do downward dog. Lift your hips up and back. Pedal your feet. This is not about perfect shape, it's about doing. Now we are going to come on low lunge. Step your right foot forward, drop the back knee, feel the stretch in your hips. And now for the left leg. Next, we are gonna do cobra pose. Lie down, press into your palms, and gently lift your chest. No force, just open. Slowly, we will move and flow into the child's pose. Sit back, rest your forehead down, take deep breaths. Now we are gonna do butterfly stretch. Bring soles of feet together. Sit tall or fold forward. No pushing. Next we are going to do, and the last one, seated spinal twist. Twist gently, lengthen your spine first, Then rotate and do on the other side. Congrats on completing the basics of yoga. Now we are going to relax for 2 minutes and we are going to start with the supine twist so that our back can rest. Lie down, drop your knees to one side, let gravity do the work. Now for the other side. We will end this with Savasana. If this felt good, come back tomorrow and do it again.